you been thinking of suing your HOA? If you live in Arizona, pay attention to a recent Court of Appeals case that clarifies the difference between direct and derivative claims and when to use which one. So historically speaking, in Arizona, the CC&Rs have been considered a contract between the homeowners and the HOA, which means that the homeowners can sue the HOA for not meeting the terms of the contract, and the HOA can sue the homeowners for the same thing. We often see cases where homeowners are sued by the HOA for things like not paying their assessment fees or not maintaining their property. And conversely, we see a lot of cases by homeowners suing their HOAs on the basis that they're not meeting the terms of the CC&Rs. But this new case from the Court of Appeals changes the analysis significantly. What it says is that if you, the homeowner, don't have an injury that's different from any of your neighbors, you can't sue the HOA directly. You have to use a derivative claim instead. There's a lot of generalized language in this Court of Appeals decision that bears paying attention to, but here's some big takeaways. First of all, if you're filing a complaint, make sure you talk through with an attorney how to articulate your damages versus everybody else's. Next, make sure you understand the difference between direct and derivative claims. Here in Arizona, derivative claims have a very specific procedural markers that have to be followed in order for the case to be resolved that way, and in order for the case to start. And one of the most specific ones is that a number of homeowners, just like you and your HOA, have to sign on to be plaintiffs with you. The last piece is that the CC&Rs can provide a direct avenue for a claim, but not all of them do. This is a complex situation that bears looking at from an experienced professional. Don't go filing a claim for a breach of contract against your HOA until you've read this Court of Appeals case. Thanks, I'm Anjali Patel, and I help homeowners with HOA. Have you been